All right, everyone. We'll start now for a Virtual Agent Academy. Welcome, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. As always, before starting, just wanted to take a call out for our Virtual Agent plus NLU community for content and experts. There you could ask questions, see the latest content, such as our FAQs and our quick start guides. And then, of course, you can always use the experience of others and ask questions and give answers. If you're watching on YouTube and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and click that like button down there, that thumbs up button, or click subscribe to see all our community content, not just for Virtual Agent, but also for other products such as mobile and performance analytics. So today, we are going to talk about increasing agent chat efficiency with autopilot and quick actions. So these are new Roam features for agent chat, but it does include and incorporate virtual agent elements. Presenting today is Samyuktha Reddy, who's outbound PM for conversational interfaces. I am Victor Chen, as always, and we can go ahead and get started. Samyuktha, I'll turn it over to you.
Thank you, Victor. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today's Academy session on topic agent chat quick actions with autopilot. So what is quick actions? Let's say an agent who is new to the team or somebody who is trying to look what are the quick and useful actions available. So within their chat box, they can type / and look up all the available configured quick actions. For example, in the screen, when an agent types / there are some of the existing out-of-box quick actions available. Along with that, if customers has done any customizations, a new configuration for quick actions, those actions will also available. Like here, /appointment /autopilot, these are the custom quick actions, whereas the rest are the out-of-the-box existing quick actions. For today's session, I'll be deep diving deeper into the quick action autopilot. So an agent autopilot. So agent autopilot, it allows the agent to hand off the conversation to virtual agent to handhold the customer through a set of predefined tasks. For example, filling out a form or processing a payment request or booking a reservation. All these tasks pretty much are a repetitive task for the agents asking same set of questions to the end user. So autopilot, it makes it very simple for agents, which improves agents' efficiency in workspace, allows agents to multitask while virtual agent topic is running a chat conversation with the end user. Once the chat conversation is completed through the autopilot, the action is written back to the agent to take over and ask more questions or interact with the end user. I'll be doing a demo on quick actions and agent autopilot. So a few of the steps. You have to create a quick actions for autopilot if you don't have it in your system, because it is not available out of the box. So you do have to configure it. Once it is done, then you have to create a virtual agent topic, however you want to design your flow of questions that you want to ask an end user. So once that is done, you'll also activate available for agent autopilot button so that it will be available for agents workspace, agent chat box with a shortcut / autopilot. All right, let's do an exercise on this. Let's say I have an admin. So I want to show quickly what we have to do for quick actions. In your left navigation, look for quick actions. This is the place where you will be defining your new quick actions. We already have provided out-of-the-box quick actions like create case, create incident, request help, response templates, shrug, transfer to agent, and transfer to queue. Please do go through our ServiceNow documentations for quick actions, you will find all the details for each of these quick actions. Let's say I want to activate an autopilot quick actions. Click on New. Provide the name that you want to display for your agents. Then click on Activate. Provide the description and provide the command name, how your agents can use a shortcut /autopilot. So whatever the command name you provide, this is the one which will display in the agent chat window. And then you can also define some conditions. Let's say you want this quick actions available only for few set of agents or different groups, or you want this for only in a type of like chats and messaging. So you can define all those conditions here. You do have to provide the interaction table or any other table, like how you are defining your quick actions to take control and do the next further steps. So for today's demo, I just clicked on apply to all groups. Let's say if you want for a different group, then you do have to define the agents group who can see this particular quick action. And there is a script available. This is also available in our documentations. You can look in ServiceNow quick actions documentations for the script. Now I'll just give a quick idea what this script does. So whenever an agent clicks on shortcut /autopilot, so we are saying that, okay, then display all the virtual agents designer topics available. And once agent clicks on the topic will take over asking those questions to an agent. So before even going to the autopilot, I want to show how the quick actions looks on the agent side. So for that, today I'm going to log in as an end user able tutor. And then going to log in Beth Angelin as a prime agent who is available to take any interactions that's coming from the end user. So let's go ahead and click on chat. So Abel starting in a conversation looking for an agent. Let's say he needs some help. Say he selected inquiry, help, booking, not sure option. And then he provided details like billing help. The system is trying to look for available agent and send the request for agent to accept. Now I logged into Beth Angelin and I see there is in a chat waiting for Beth Angelin to accept. So click on accept. Now Beth is in chat window to interact with end user Abel. And let's say Beth realized that Abel is trying to look for a billing help, but she is not billing department. So she wants to transfer to another agent. So she can immediately do a quick action like click on /, then she can look up all the available click actions in her list. Let's say here she wants to transfer to another agent. She'll click on transfer to another agent. Then it's immediately look for available agents. Right now, there is no other agent available. That's why the message popped up showing there is no agents available. Let's go ahead and activate Fred to accept some of the interactions. So I logged in as a Fred. Now I'm making myself available. Now this agent is available. So now let's go back to Beth. Let's click again, transfer to agent. If you look at in this box, it shows who are the agents who are available, and Beth can click on it and click enter. And if you look here in the inbox side, the chat is already requesting, request has been sent to Fred and waiting for Fred to accept. Now let's log into Fred again. Now here it is, it's waiting to accept. So Fred accepts and he enters into the conversation. So in this particular quick action, end user, Abel, Beth, and Fred, all three of them will be in this chat conversation. And on Abel, he can see who's the agent who entered into the chat and helping him. And on Beth, she can also see what interaction is going between end user and Fred. So this is a quick action. Apart of that, we do have like some of the other quick actions. If agents want to create a quick case, they can use /case and create a case and create an incident like request and help. So when they click on this, it will look for available supervisor to enter into the chat and help agent. And response templates is one of the useful features. So you can define a set of, you can define a response template and send that response template to the end user to collect some of his information. And transfer to queue, let's say if it is in AWA and trying to route to the agents, and if the agent got a different chat and she wants to transfer back to the queue so that the queue will look for the available group and an agent, then they can put this interaction back into the queue by clicking /TQ. So with that said, let's focus on autopilot. So what I do is I'll try to start a new conversation as an end user. This time I'll try to, so my need as an end user, I want to book some conference. So I'll look up the options that's available. By the way, this is a pre-chat configuration. So I'm clicking on inquiry, help, booking, not sure. Then book my conference. So the request went to one of the available agent who's for us. Now Fred is available. So now he got the chat into his inbox. Now Fred accepts it. So he looks at this message, understanding that Abel is looking for some booking conference. So without even asking any questions to Abel, so simply goes to the quick action / then he look up for the autopilot. And then there are already some of the autopilot topics being activated. I'll show how this configuration is being done once this demo is completed. So out of these available autopilot topics, I'm clicking on conference registration. Now, when I click on it immediately, if you see here, this chat is on autopilot, turning it off will resume live chat. So this shows to the agent right now, autopilot virtual agent topic is in control, interacting with the end user. Let's say as an agent, if I want to stop this, I can just click on turn off autopilot and take the control back so that I can interact with the end user manually. Now on end user Abel, so now we have sent some set of questions. It is, the VA topic is asking him, enter your full name. All these questions that's coming one by one, this is all coming from our VA designer. So let's say, are you registering on behalf of your company? Yes. Providing the company name. I want to book in a hotel. So choose a hotel type. So it's a conference, so want a conference. And what date and time? Let's say I'm going on 28th, 8:45 looks perfect. My hotel registration is confirmed. Do you want anything else? I don't want anything now. And my conference is confirmed. Now my VA topic is completed, creating my conference. If I go back to the agent window, Now, if you look at here, it says topic completed successfully, autopilot is now off. Now Fred can interact with Abel and ask any other questions if he need. So, and all these questions are automatically went on with the VA topic. During this time, agent, if he has some other some other task, so he can do multitasking. So this is it about autopilot. So now let me show how this virtual agent designer is being designed and how it is showing up in autopilot list. So now I'm logging as an admin. Now in quick actions, we have already activated our autopilot topic here, and it is an active. I'm looking for VA designer. So you'll find designer under virtual agent. So click on designer. You can create a new one. So for time being, to save our time, I already created one designer. So I'm going to go through the steps that I have created there. So the conference registration, the first step when we are creating a virtual agent designer, go to the properties and make this field available. Without this particular topic will never show up in agent chat. Let's say, for example, if I switch off this and I publish, and if you see here, I'm not seeing the conference booking option here because I have not, it's got deactivated. So any topic that you want to show up here, you do have to make it active and click on publish. Now going back to this flow, I have created some of the steps like collecting to collect full name, agent's full, end user's full name. And then I asked any question like booking type, what type they want, and then employer name, and then hotel booking, what's the type. So all these are available in our component. So please look at these options and create the designer how you want to ask the questions to your end users. So when the hotel booking is done, then I added addition. Do you want to proceed with the hotel booking, yes or no? Let's say if the end user says yes, then it asks what hotel type and provide the date and time. Once it is done, it goes anything else end user needs, nothing, then go incomplete. That's all from my side. Over to you, Victor.
Great, thanks. We do have some questions. So the first question is, well, we'll go in reverse order. When the autopilot is launched and is taking care of the chat, would the live agent be available to accept other chats?
Yes, there is. So it doesn't stop agent to not take other chats.
Okay, great. And then does the end user see the note about the autopilot topic being completed?
On end user, no, they don't see autopilot topic is even being activated. It's only for the agents who can see on in their chat.
Got it. Let's see here. So answer that one. And then will this feature within Agent Workspace I'm sorry. Will this feature work within Agent Workspace if we do not have live agent transfer activated in Virtual Agent? I think by this feature, he means transferring quick action transfer, I think. Yeah.
The quick actions and autopilot, these are only available in the agent chat. So to have an agent chat, we do have to activate the agent chat plugin for it to work in Agent Workspace.
Okay. And then the last question, why is it not showing up under normal topic list, non-autopilot? I'm not sure, Liang, about that question. Are you talking about autopilot topics?
Yeah, let me answer. So all the autopilot topics are linked to autopilot keyword. So in the quick actions, when you provide / whatever you have defined in the quick actions table, only those only those options will be shown to the end user, to the agent. So when agent clicks on autopilot quick action, that's when it shows all the list of available topics which are activated for autopilot.
Got it. Cool. And then I saw some folks raising their hands. If you have any other questions, if anyone has any questions, please, again, click on the Q&A button and ask your question there. Sam, and while we wait for that, Sam, Nabil, do we have any polls, or are we good for today on polls? All right, cool, we have a poll. So yeah, while we take in more questions, feel free to take a look at the poll and fill it out. You've now seen the power of quick actions, as well as using a combination of quick actions and autopilot. So Diana asked what plugins are needed. I believe, Sam, you addressed some of that in part, which was you need the virtual agent plugin for autopilot, and you need, of course, the agent chat plugin and workspace for quick actions. Do I have that right?
Yeah, so agent chat plugin for quick actions and autopilots, but to create a topic for autopilot, we do need a virtual agent plugin.
Right, got it. Cool. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't already, please take a look at the poll there. And then we'll end it in a couple seconds. As always, if you've got coworkers or colleagues who want to look at this recording afterwards, this will be posted to YouTube. Taking a look at the poll results, what use case would you use autopilot for? Majority of you say IT. Second place, customer service. Third place, HR. And we also do use this. We did build this with customer service in mind. That being said, this is a holistic feature that can be used for many use cases. And then for number 2, you ask which quick action you use mostly. Response template is number 1, followed by transfer to agent, and then /help. Last question here, does this work even on VA NLU model? I'll take that one. Yes, it does. This actually doesn't use virtual agent NLU. This is it's run by the agent. It doesn't use NLU in this case. So if your topic is using NLU, that's fine. The agent's still going to call out using / the quick action command. Okay, that looks like all the questions we have for today. Again, thank you everyone for attending our Virtual Agent Academy. Thank you, Samyuktha, for presenting. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in our community website, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks for next community. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all.